Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am here with what I believe is my very last Kloverbox. I was on the PR list. I think it's probably been about a year that I've been getting free boxes. I'm not sure. I would have to look back in my own videos. But I've enjoyed every one of them, honestly, like every one of them. They sometimes come with like an odd assortment of stuff, like sometimes household stuff, sometimes it's like all skincare. I have two standout products here that I did want to point out to you that did come in this box. One that I used up and one that I am currently using. But anyway, without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get on with this unboxing. This, I believe, is the February box. It's the very beginning of April right now, so I was waiting to get the March box, and I thought I would do a double unboxing, but that never happened. I never got the March box, so I think I'm off the PR list. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go through the unboxing for you. Kloverbox is about $25 a month, and you always get like a good amount, like sometimes like between $50 and $75 worth of stuff in there. At least that's what my assessment is. Now I haven't actually broken down the cost and what you get officially, but they certainly could tell you, and on the website it does list everything that came in that particular box and what the retail price is, as well as it's on the card. So anyway, here's the February card, and it's got everything that came in this box. It looks like it was 4 things. I'm not going to read that until the end. They do use recycled packaging by a company called Enclose, and I really love that they do that. There's, whoops, oh, it looks like there's chocolate in here. I got this box, I looked, and then I put it away in my bin of stuff I had to do, and I just totally forgot everything that's in here. So, I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. Okay. I'm on Weight Watchers, so I wonder if I can even have this. I might save this, I don't know. But anyway, this is Chalk XO, organic dark chocolate, 70% cacao. I've gotten lots of cool food stuff in this box, but I think this might be the first one I've gotten in a really long time. I did subscribe to this box in the past, and so yeah, I think this has been a really long time since I got a food item. There are 2 smaller items in here, but I'm going to go straight for the biggie. There's a big box in here. This is Cream Exfoliant by a Native Nectar, which is, I'm sure, a cruelty-free company. I've never found anything in this box to not be cruelty-free. And oh, what a beautiful jar, my goodness. It came in this really beautiful jar, and there's the wording on the top. I think when this is gone, I might reuse it for something else. It's a really beautiful little jar. And that came nested in this box. I'll read the card and go over every item in here, so I'm going to just put that back in the box for safekeeping. And I am that nerd who saves boxes until I'm like really using something like crazy, and then I recycle. But yeah, I save boxes because I'm crazy. There is a coupon code for Moody Sisters, because one of the items in here is a Moody Sisters thing. And that is this lavender rose. I don't know what it is exactly. But, you know, I'll read on the card and see what it says. And a lip thing. Ooh, I love lip things. And this looks like my color. I am going to swatch this, and yeah, I'll swatch this, and I'm sure that it's going to look really nice on. I do find that with the more natural products that you need to use them up a little bit faster because they don't always have a whole lot of preservatives in there. Like most commercial products are loaded with preservatives, which is not always a good thing, having a lot of preservatives. But yeah, this has like a subtle shimmer to it too. So we've got quite a few. We've got 3 beauty things and a food thing. Awesome. Oh my goodness. It smells like nothing. Sometimes these things, they smell like strawberries or something. Oh, it's like a lip gloss, a thin gloss. You know, the kind you'd put on top of lipstick or by itself. Ooh, I like it. There's the color right there. It's like a slightly, I don't know if it's translating on camera, but it's like a slightly peachy pink color. So yeah, I really like that. That's really beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my glasses on like I usually do, and I'm going to go over the card and everything that is in the box one at a time and tell you what everything is. Now, I don't always read every word because sometimes these descriptions, they get a little bit long and I don't want to bore the hell out of you. Okay, so let's see. The first one is the exfoliant, which that beautiful little jar is inside this box. And the card says, pamper your skin this Valentine's Day. This gentle but powerful cream exfoliator is packed with antioxidants to protect skin against free radicals and signs of aging, as well as alpha hydroxy acids, which naturally brighten and refine. Biodegradable jojoba beads work their magic to smooth and renew dull skin. You must rub it on or something. Let's see the directions. Require a magnifying glass. And they're over on my desk. Be right back. Can you say blind as a bat? Anyway, I can't find my magnifying glass. I know it's here. It's probably on the bed with all the other boxes. So anyway, the directions on this say massage dime size amount onto skin in upwards circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. So this is not like the one from this is not like the one from Juice Beauty that you stroke on and then let it like do its magic, and you know, so I'm slightly less afraid of this one. I haven't used one from Juice Beauty yet because I'm kind of scared. Anyway, this one scares me a little bit less. Anytime you use any kind of acid or exfoliating type of thing like that, you should try a little bit on your jaw first and make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction, because it really would suck to develop tomato face because you've tried a product. Okay, next thing, vegan liquid lipstick. I like this. It's very thin. It's more like a lip gloss. So I'm going to hold the card up so you can actually see it. Let me see if I can face the label to you. Okay, and this is Jaden Madison All Natural Vegan Liquid Lipstick in the color Ladylike. Oh, by the way, the exfoliant goes for $27. This goes for $20. So you can see already we've got $47 worth of product in here. Get kissable lips with this Valentine's Day. Jaden Madison, specializing in beauty products made from natural ingredients that come from nature to nourish your skin, not harm it. This buildable formula may be worn as a sheer wash-up color or layered with your favorite lipstick / stain for added dimension and bold color payoff. Yeah, I really like this. In fact, I am going to put this right into... Why's it got a... It's got a hard spot. Yeah, I don't think that's going to go away. Yeah, you can see it's got like a little hard spot slash hole in it. It doesn't smell, it's not a hole in the container, it's like in the product itself. It doesn't smell funny or anything, but it looks like it's settled funny in the tube. So by the time I get to the bottom, I'm sure that will have loosened up. So I hope anyway. So anyway, I like this. I'm going to put it right in my makeup basket because I am going to use it. Because now that I've opened it and it's a natural product, the concern is that it's going to go bad faster. Please remember that when you use natural products, they do tend to go bad very quickly. So, like, I'm all for them. The fact that they use less preservatives is a good thing. So, now this is from the Moody Sisters, and it's in, it says Essential Oil Scent Roller. Ooh, we got a scent. Okay. So, this says, Moody Sisters Essential Oil Scent Roller in Lavender Rose, $12. Whether you need natural aromatherapy midday pickup or a fresh perfume scent to smell great, this essential oil roller has you covered. The natural perfume oil on bottle has a blend of skin nourishing oils featuring jojoba plus a blend of aromatherapy, essential oils, and fruit extracts. This light and quick absorbing oil packs a powerful punch of scent. Let's give this a try. It smells kind of like the pillow spray I use at night that I'm convinced doesn't work. It isn't oil, but it did sink right into my skin. Kind of like the smell, but it smells like something that I'd be more likely to put a little bit of on at bedtime because of the lavender. But, you know, everybody has their own way of doing things, so you might look at things differently. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I'm sorry this is a February box, but I looked to see if anybody did an unboxing and no one has, and so now this is your chance to see basically the kind of stuff that you'll get in a Kloverbox. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. To Kloverbox, thank you very much for sending me this box for free to share with my viewers. Oh, and I also wanted to show you a couple things that came in previous boxes that I used, so I will go ahead and do that. So, showing you a couple things that I did put aside to show you that I've gotten in Kloverboxes that I've used. I know that when I did the unboxing for, I believe it was November, yes, because I used this on my Christmas roast beef. It came with, see, it comes sometimes with something a little different. This is lemon rosemary spice salt spice blend. I saved the packaging not just to show you guys because, oh, I have it backwards. Not just to show you guys, but I also intend fully to order this spice because it was really, really good on the roast beef. My roast beef came out better than I've ever made it. This was full, and I used the entire, pressed the entire salt seasoning blend into the roast beef, and then it just came out like, I think it was the best roast beef I've ever made. So yes, I like vegan stuff, but I'm not a vegan. So, you know, I really, really like this, and so I am going to order this. This is from La Luna Salt. And there is, let's see, it says enjoy, it's called Crisp and Savory, enjoy on chicken, fish, omelets, veggies, and so on and so forth. But I am going to look this company up and I am going to order this. Sometimes the happy accident of these boxes is that you find products you truly love and you end up ordering them, and this is one of those. So I'm definitely going to order this because I had a really positive experience. Thank you, Kloverbox, for giving us that sample. Next thing is something that I Only just started using about 2 weeks ago, but I see a difference in my skin. And that is this Timeless Organics CoQ10 cream. Now, I did talk about this at length when I did the unboxing. It's a huge bottle, and a small amount, like a dime-size amount, goes a long way. I do notice that since I've been using it, my skin just feels smoother, and I've used it. I do get dermatitis on my hands. I'm sure in some videos you've seen them. I have a spot right there now that's just starting up. I've used steroid creams that are prescription, and they've actually done damage to my skin, so anyway, this does seem to improve the skin. Not like the dermatitis, I think is, I don't know why I get it on my hands, but I do get it, and sometimes it takes prescription strength to knock it out. But this CoQ10 seems to be doing wonders for my face, my neck, and the backs of my hands. So I really like this. This is like a 4-ounce bottle, and honestly I've been using this, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep buying it. I started using it as soon as I could because I know it's all natural, and you know, some of these all natural products tend to go bad faster. This is awesome stuff. I'm going to show it to you. You only need this much to do your entire face and neck, and I'll show you. What I do is I rub it between my fingers, so I end up with a little bit, and this just is like lovely stuff. In fact, I'll put it on the back of my hands right now. It's just absolutely lovely, and it is for your entire body and your face, though I've been using it mostly on my face, and I'm very happy with those results. So those are 2 standout products. I know there are more, and there have been a lot of things that I've gotten from this box that I really love. Things I've already used up, and some things that I'm currently using that these are like great products. And so if you're in the market for a natural box, this would probably be a good one. It is about $25 though for every month. So yeah, cost can be a consideration, so it depends on you, but most of the time this stuff is all natural, cruelty-free, and vegan, so it's a good idea if that's like what you're interested in. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, join the Reviewer's Diary family. Don't forget to hit that bell so it tells you every time that I make a video, and you will see more videos from me. I apologize for my absence, but yeah, it couldn't be helped. I had a sick family member. So anyway, thank you very much, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.